Do you know that you can make chicken pies, meat pies without using butter or potatoes? I made this delicious chicken pie without using butter or potatoes, and it turns out to be the best chicken pie I have ever made. Come with me, let me show you how I made this work. Hello everyone, it's nice to have you back. If this is the first time of seeing my video, you are welcome. And to my amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you for your love. Thank you for always turning up. For the chicken pie recipe, you can use any chicken of your choice. You can use the boneless chicken, or you can still use the regular chicken like I did and just debone it. Now I washed my chicken thoroughly and cut it into tiny pieces. After that, I'll go ahead to put it in a pan and season. For your chicken pie to taste so nice, you need to season very well. I'll go ahead to add onions and bell pepper. I'll be blending the onions and bell pepper. Then I added salt to taste. After adding the salt, I added some curry powder. The secret recipe for Nigerian chicken pie, it's always to add lots of curry and lots of thyme. It gives it very nice flavor. I went ahead to add the blended bell pepper and onions. The chicken pie filling is already looking colorful and flavorful. I will go ahead to mix. Just give it a good mix to combine all ingredients. I will not add water. I will allow it to extract its juice. Then I added my seasoning cube. I will just give it the last stir. Then I will cover to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I will go ahead to prepare the dough. In a bowl, I added 3 cups of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix the dry ingredients first before adding the wet ingredients. Substitute for butter is using the vegetable oil. I put the vegetable oil in a plate and put it in the freezer to cool for 30 minutes before using it. And now this is the outcome. You can use your vegetable oil in substitute for butter while making your chicken pie or meat pie, and it's going to work perfect, same as butter. Just keep it in the fridge to cool, or you can put it in the freezer, and you can go ahead to use it directly without putting it in the fridge or in the freezer, and it's going to come out perfect. After adding the vegetable oil, just keep on mixing until it becomes like breadcrumbs. Just mix, mix, mix. Today's shout out goes to our amazing viewers watching from Nigeria, India, Philippines, Indonesia, Kenya, Brazil, and Rwanda. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please leave your comments below so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. The flour is well mixed. I will add 1 cracked egg, then continue to mix. I love to add egg to the pie crust to make it richer and more tender. Secondly, I love to add egg because egg is very healthy and very nutritious. After mixing, I will go ahead to add some milk to the crust, then continue to mix. If you're still watching this video to this moment, this is the right time to subscribe and leave your comments below. Also share the video to your friends so that they can also learn how to make chicken pie. After mixing the dough, I will just cover and set aside. I will keep it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes just to rest before working on it again. While the dough is resting in the fridge, I will go ahead to check my fillings. Remember, in the fillings I said no adding potato in the fillings. This is just what I'll be using for the filling, just the chicken and the sauce. The filling is well cooked and ready to be used. I will just set it aside to cool before adding it to the crust. I love this filling. It's good for picky eaters that don't like seeing potatoes in pies. Cut the dough in various shapes and just roll out. You can choose to roll out bit by bit, and you can also choose to roll everything at once. I rolled some doughs in bits and I also rolled some at once. These are the doughs I rolled in bits. Those that are rolled in bits is just to fill up with chicken and bake. While rolling the dough in a large quantity, you will need the meat pie cutter. I will use my round plate as the meat pie cutter. You can use round plates, round lids, or anything that can give you the round shape that you desire. While I'm working on the dough, I will go ahead to on the oven and preheat it before putting the chicken pie in the oven to bake. While this process is done, we will get our filling and our egg wash ready. Apply the egg wash round the crust before adding the filling. The egg wash helps in sealing the chicken pie. Next, I went ahead to add the fillings. After the fillings, I'll just seal it up with the egg wash. Then use a fork to create a hole round it so that it can bake well. I also apply the egg wash on top of the crust before using the fork to create a hole on it. Why I do that is for the hole that is being created not to be blocked by the egg wash and to allow the chicken pie bake well. This is my first time of baking chicken pie without using the potato filling and also butter, and it turns out to be the best chicken pie I've ever baked. Now I'll pop it into the oven to bake for 35 minutes. Once the chicken pie is golden brown, it is well baked and ready to serve. This is my first time of baking chicken pie without using butter or potatoes, and it turns out to be the best chicken pie I have ever baked. Now you know that you can make your chicken pie this way and it's going to turn out so delicious. I would love to know if you will be trying out this chicken pie recipe. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.